Good afternoon, Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Vice President Inday, the palace has said your time as DepEd Secretary was a complete failure. This stems from your statement that the country remains at a paper and pencil in comparison to other educational system of other countries which are modernized. What is your response to that, ma'am?
Oh, thank you, Alvin and Tourism, for this opportunity to speak, and explain my side. Unang-una, masabi ko yon na we are truly behind sa education system natin compared to more developed countries around the world. And that is true. That is an observation. That is a fact of the Philippines. And I have all the right to say kung ano yung katotohanan ng bansa natin. That is covered by the freedom of speech and expression natin. So, dapat siguro walang magalit. Kasi yun naman yung katotohanan ng bansa natin eh. Saan ba tayo magsisimula mag-isip ng mga solusyon kung hindi natin tanggapin na merong problema yung bayan? Pangalawa, hindi ko maintindihan saan nanggagaling yung total failure ako as a Department of Education Secretary. Kasi iba yung actions ni BBM noong ako ay nag-tender ng resignation. Kung maalala ninyo, that was June 19, 2024. It was a Wednesday. Matagal ko na pinag-isipan yung pagre-resign. Inisip ko na kapag mag-resign ako, habang nasa administration ako, inaatake ako. Pag nag-resign ako, dodoble yung atake sa akin. Posibleng mag-file ng impeachment case sa akin dahil September 2023 pa lang pinag-uusapan na yon. So, matagal ko na hawak-hawak yung resignation letter na yun. Matagal akong pabalik-balik sa Malacanang, pero hindi ko talaga pa naibigay. Pero nung June 19, 2024, dun ko na isip na yun ang pinakatamang panahon na ibigay ko na yung irrevocable resignation ko. Kasi merong meeting sa Malacanang about opening of classes na hindi naman dapat na umaabot sa level ng Pangulo pero